Insurance industry is a very lucrative and one of the high paying industries across the world. In this particular video, I'll be talking about careers in insurance. Hello everyone, welcome to Invest Expert India. I'm Srinivas Murthy. In this channel, you'll get all the information that is required to invest your hard-earned money and get maximum possible returns. In this industry, you can work as a freelancer with a lot of support that is coming from the office, and also you can work in the office as a specialist like an actuary, an underwriter, and a claims specialist and things like that. In India, as a freelancer, you have two levels of opportunity. One is totally a freelancer, which is called agent, advisor, or a financial advisor, and another one is an equivalent of a development officer, which is part employment and part freelance. So these are two important levels in which one can work in India. As an agent or as an advisor, you will get a good amount of recognition inside the country and also outside the country. Apart from various recognitions, there is a good amount of remuneration also that comes to agents, which goes up to 45% in some cases, and in some extraordinary cases it goes up to 50% also. Though the regulator allows to a certain extent, there are other ways and means of compensating the agent, which is allowed by regulator, of course. So the compensation that comes to an agent goes up to 50% in some of the cases. This is only a first year remuneration that I am talking about. So as and when an agent introduces some business, in the first year, the remuneration will go to the extent of 50%. But these contracts are normally long-term contracts where the customer will be paying for 10 years, 15 years, 20, 25 years also. As such, the advisor or an agent can make a good amount of money depending on their commitment and the kind of business that they are going to introduce to the company. Moreover, the process of becoming an agent in any insurance company is very, very simple. Though the qualification required is pegged at about SSLC in rural areas and +2 in urban areas, there will be a training which will be given by the company in which the person wants to join as an agent, and there will be an examination that has to be cleared by the candidate so that the candidate can be taken by the company as an agent. My advice to all those people who are watching this video is take up agency in any case with one or the other life insurance company in India. Of course, if you are a full-time employee of either government or working in a private company, you may not be able to take up the agency. However, the spouse or the parents or in-laws, whatever be their age, they can take up agency. The reason for this is you will be able to earn about 45 or 50% that I am talking about in the beginning from your own investments. Of course, the renewal commission will be paid only if you continue the agency by introducing a certain amount of business year on year. The second level of opportunity I am talking about is that of a development officer or a partner or a business development manager, whatever be the title. The position is of recruiting agents and building a distribution for the insurance company. In this position, a few of the companies in India are giving a part-time job where they will give a fixed amount of salary and also a variable pay which will be very, very attractive. The qualification required to become a development officer or a partner keeps on varying from company to company. In some of the cases, the companies ask for experience in insurance industry. Either it is life insurance or health insurance, or it could be with non-life insurance, which is called general insurance. And there are companies which offer a part-time employment even without any experience, because they take them as a part-time employee and give them the necessary training to build a distribution as well as recruit the agents across the state or across India. This is also a very attractive level, because apart from the compensation which is paid as per the business that is procured by the total number of agents that they have recruited, they will also get rewards and recognitions within the country as well as abroad. If you are really interested in exploring this any of these two opportunities, you can get in touch with me for a free consultation call by clicking the link given in the description below. The other opportunities in insurance industry are those of full-time jobs and specialist jobs. The specialist jobs are like claims processor, underwriter, and actuary, and general management. The role of an actuary is considered to be very important in any of the insurance companies. We have in India an organization which is called Actuarial Society of India. One can register in this organization and pursue their studies to become an actuary. However, please note that the actuarial studies are highly oriented towards mathematics and statistics. So, the Actuarial Society of India also has certain qualifying criteria to become a member of that society and to pursue the actuarial studies. One of the high-paying professions in insurance industry is that of an actuary. An actuary normally studies a lot of things about the birth rate, the death rate, the interest rates across the world, and in that particular country, how they have behaved over a period of 50 to 100 years, and then predicts and establishes models that are required for running insurance business either in India or abroad. So this forms a very important profession in any of the insurance companies. Another specialist job in insurance industry is that of an underwriter. An underwriter gets the information from across their branches and decides whether this particular person can be insured against the risk that they are asking for or not. An underwriter would have the knowledge that is required to decide whether the medical conditions of a particular person who is asking for insurance can be ignored, or they have to be rated up, or whether the risk can be accepted with the existing normal rates. If there are any doubts that an underwriter may have on the life which has asked for insurance, they are free to call for any kind of report from the person who is asking for insurance. Underwriting is done not only on the medical history but also on the financial status of the person who is asking for insurance. There are a good number of institutions in India and also abroad where one can register and acquire the qualification required to become an underwriter. Another specialist job is that of claims processing. Claims processing is done basically in three categories. The first one is when the person happens to die within 2 years of buying the insurance policy. especially the life insurance policy. The second one is a normal maturity claim, that is, as and when the contract ends, the amount has to be paid to the customer. So that is called a maturity claim. The third one is the claim which is neither a death claim, early death claim, nor a maturity claim. That is, as and when the survival benefit becomes due, in case there is such an agreement, and also if any death occurs during the life of the policy, the claim has to be settled. So these are three major categories in which the claims are settled. One can join any of the insurance companies as an employee, as a normal employee. He need not have any special qualifications to become a claims processor. However, after joining the insurance company, the company is going to give special training that is required to process the claims at various levels. Insurance industry is highly data driven. So apart from the specialist jobs, there are opportunities to grow in to work and grow in insurance industry as a general manager and as a data analyst. Finally, insurance industry provides a lot of opportunity to establish and grow in a company, from the lowest entry level job to a very high paying jobs like an actuary. If you want to know more information about the career opportunities in insurance industry, you can set up a free call with me by clicking on the link given in the description below. You can also visit our website akshayrevenues.com and understand more about the career opportunities in insurance industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back in the next video with another topic. Until then, goodbye and see you in the next video.